Mighty Morning Owls, this is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, March 29th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way with my team and family. I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that you're going to hear about in the Family Weekly. On Thursday, April 1st, we're going to have an out of uniform day. That means pre-K through second grade, you can wear your jeans with your college or Soulful Spirit shirt, black belt, white socks, and black shoes. Third through fifth grade, you can wear your homeroom shirts, black belt, white socks, and black shoes with jeans. So that is so because you're going to have the Hootie Bowl third through fifth grade. Also, scholars, there's no school on Friday, April 2nd. No school. Keep reading, reading, reading. We have 34 Royal Readers. We're looking for some more. Also, there's a link for your parents if they want to go see your report card. All right. Today is first day of mock star math for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. You guys are going to rock it. Do your best job. Just remember, don't just choose an answer. Make sure you can prove your answer. All right, we'll see you in the classroom. Have a good day. Hoot, hoot!